Hey friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get ExpressVPN extensions. And this is the best way how to get the ExpressVPN extensions no matter what devices you're currently using. I know that you can easily go ahead and open up your Chrome or your Firefox browser and you can download the extension from their store. But if you are using whichever devices, I recommend that you choose this option, especially if you have the app installed on your Windows PC already. This is going to take you to the best way. This is one of the easiest way how to get it. You can also find this on their website as well. So how do you do it? Click the burger menu in the app. On the uppermost left hand side, go to options, and here you have many options at the top. You want to click on browsers, and here it says get browser extensions. So you click on that. It's going to take you over to the ExpressVPN website, and here you will find the download section where it takes you into all of these different, let's say, options here that you can find. Your browser here, you can click, for example, on Edge. You can get the extension here, right? On Android, you tell you how you get it, or the APK key there. For Windows, you can download it here as well. Linux, it tells you where to find it. For Xbox, it mentions how to solve that. Whichever option you want, you can easily go ahead. Mac, it tells you how to get it. So if you're looking for even one of the browser's extensions, Firefox or Google Chrome, you can easily go ahead and get the extension here by simple clicking on get. I believe this is the best way how to approach it to to ensure that you get the correct extensions that you need. So just simple visit your web page and you can easily find it. Another way how you can find the extensions are if, let's say, you're on their web page, on the home page. Let me click the home page, and you want to find a specific ExpressVPN extension. You can click on devices from the menu options here and you can choose whatever you want. So let's say I want to choose, for example, for Windows or for Chrome extensions. You can easily go there. So let's say I want for Chrome. I click here, Chrome, and it takes me here and I can learn all about it as well. If I want it for Windows, I click on Windows and it takes me here where I can get the extension or I can download it for the Windows. So whichever option you want, guys, this is how you can easily get it. I really hope you found it useful, guys, and if you do, take a moment to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.